Hey everyone. Today I want to dive into a fascinating and somewhat controversial idea: survival of the fittest in modern society. What if, long ago, our species was at risk of becoming weak, and certain measures were put in place to eliminate those considered the weak links? Years ago, in a town hall meeting in the Bay Area, a heated discussion erupted over the use of poisons, particularly the infamous Roundup. The officials there made a shocking statement: poison was meant to kill off the dumb people. If you were careless enough to use it and suffer the consequences, you were simply meant to die. That statement stuck with me, and I've been researching it ever since. Fast forward to recent times, and we're facing crises like the COVID-19 pandemic and the fentanyl epidemic. Look around. Many are dying, but the common thread is choice. Those who disregard the warnings and make reckless decisions often face dire consequences. For instance, choosing to use dangerous drugs, despite knowing the risks, is a decision that can lead to fatal outcomes. Similarly, opting for a jab without fully understanding its potential dangers, simply because the TV says so, can be seen as a weakness. It's possible that our species was on the brink of becoming too weak, and these extreme measures were necessary to reinforce it. This might sound harsh, but it underscores the importance of independent thought and critical thinking. As a metaphysical counselor who has always followed my own path, I can attest that life is infinitely better when you think for yourself, keep an open mind, and look beyond the obvious. Today's political landscape is also changing, with new leaders who seem to genuinely care about fluoride in the water and Red 40 food amongst other important issues. These new leaders are difficult to manipulate. They cannot be bought. We are transitioning into a new era, a new Earth frequency where our species is becoming stronger and our collective vibration is rising. It's time to start thinking in a fifth-dimensional way. I've developed an app designed to help us all live in this higher dimension. Check out my website, katelove.net, to sign up and get more information about how this app can assist you in embracing this new way of being. Remember, critical thinking and self-awareness are key to thriving in this ever-evolving world. Stay sharp, stay informed, and keep questioning everything. Until next time, take care and think critically.